Welcome back to Freelance School. My name is Chris Corman, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick way you can edit images that have been generated by ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So what you have here is a quick prompt I made. I said make me a real life looking photo with the word blue at the top. ChatGPT still is really bad at making real life looking photos. Chances are you're probably gonna have to upload a photo if you really want like a real life looking one, or go over to Canva, and I'll do another video on that soon. But what do you do to edit it? This is like the most quick answer. You click on the photo that it generates, then you're going to have this option as like a little selector tool, and then the area that you want to change. For example, if I want to put this in all caps, I'm going to select it, and now ChatGPT knows that you're just trying to edit this part of the image, not the rest of the image, because that's a big issue. For example, if you have made an image with ChatGPT and then you ask it to revise the image, just like be like, hey, your text looks weird. Can you fix that, or can you put the text in all caps? A lot of times, ChatGPT is going to render a fully like revised image that changes other aspects. So it's a big change, big adjustment, and it helps a lot. So use your selector tool, select the text, and you can see over to the right that's like what it ended up finishing on. But you select that, and then you say, or we'll get to my prompt outside of this. I selected the text, then I said, I selected that area, then I said make the text in the area I selected in all caps, and then it made it in all caps, but it kind of like skewed the alignment a little bit, and the text size is a little weird. So still not perfect, and I could have maybe specified that, but without doing that, I went ahead and was just playing around with it, and then I selected this area up here, and I was just testing it to see how it does. Because ultimately, if you look at suggestions and like process tutorials for doing this, ChatGPT and AI generation is not at its best when it's modifying text, but it does way better when being asked to do like image and graphic illustration adjustments, which it did great here. I asked it to add a starry sky in the area I selected right there, and then it did a pretty good job. And then I was like, I really want this blue to be in better alignment. So then I asked align the letters in the area selected. So I left the blue starry sky. I selected just the blue area, and then I asked it to make the letters all the same height and size and in alignment with each other, and it did great. It's 100% what I was looking for in a starry sky. And now I've just got a couple of quick tips for you guys. So if that was like what you're looking for in this video, feel free to jump on or move on. If basically the using the selector tool is the big deal, but a couple things here for just more improvements. I'll say, for one, if you're going to edit text in ChatGPT, start with like kind of a pretty nice blank clear slate, kind of like we have here with this blue open sky, and then the text that you add, in my opinion, to segment out the text you're going to modify. So, for example, if we're going to have like a title here, and then like a sub headline here, and then maybe like one word here, I might start with just perfecting that one part of it, and then perfect the second part of it, and then perfect the third part. And I also might download the image and re-upload it, like re-upload it to Canva. This is a super easy way, or super faster way, in my opinion, to get text on a graphic image that you like. And for myself personally, I have no issue getting the right text on a graphic illustration, but getting like this illustration of the clouds and the like pasture and the mountains and the blue sky, it's really pretty and really nice. That could take me a while, and that's pretty unique that it's generated that. So in my opinion, what I would do is just take this image here that it already generated, and obviously change the blue to whatever you would want, and then I'm going to upload it to Canva. I've got just like a basic Canva plan, and Canva is actually, it's got its own like little AI generation thing that does the same thing with the text, but it's not as good as DALL-E 3. But it can do similar things like the starry sky thing. It can remove certain aspects like borders on the cloud. In my opinion, Adobe Photoshop is better than that, but that's for another day. But sticking to the point, I'm going to take this image, download it, upload it to Canva here, and then it's way easier to control the text that you put on the image once you already have what you want. So for example, if we'd already created this image without the text and I just had this blue sky, I'm going to make what I actually want, like headline, subheadline, and like a little, I don't know, icon or something like that. Maybe add a logo here, and then we've got a nice graphic. So recapping, in conclusion, you are when you make images with ChatGPT, just remember to click. Let's say it doesn't do exactly what you want. Even if you don't have text, you can just use the selector tool, select the area that you want to change, and then write a very descriptive and accurate prompt of what you want it to adjust it to. And then sometimes it takes a couple of iterations. Another idea can be to you could upload the image that you want, maybe something like a template you find here on Canva, and then download that, or like a Shutterstock image, or maybe like a photo that you've taken. And that's a tip for photorealistic images. I would highly recommend, if you can, get the image rights to a photo or take your own photos, then upload them here. And if you want photorealistic photos, upload them from other places. ChatGPT is very difficult to get it to make photorealistic images. So that's it for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below. Let me know if there's any other video ideas that you want us to cover for AI tools or anything else. And have a great day. Peace.